This Gbegiri soup is so good. Just try it. You really enjoy it. Let's get started.
Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make Gbegiri soup in Yoruba language. In Hausa language, it is called miyan wake. So hope you guys follow me and see how I'm going to make my Gbegiri soup today. Here I already peeled my beans, as you can see. So now I'm transferring it into a pot. So I'm adding water into it. So here I'm setting it on fire. So I'm giving it some time to cook very well. Let's give it like 30 minutes. So we are back to our beans. Let's check how our beans have cooked already. So as you can see our seeds, so you have to smash your beans very well so that all will become dismantled. So then I'm transferring it into my sieve. So I'm sieving it now. So then you sieve it. Hope you are seeing how I'm transferring it into a sieve. Just add a little water to the pot. So then start by sieving it. So here is our beans. I already sieve it. Here is our residue, as you can see, and also here is what we have. So here I'm transferring the one I already sieved in the pot. So you transfer it into the pot. After you transfer everything, then you start by adding all your ingredients. Here is my pepper. I grate it together with onion. Make sure you grate your pepper with onion in order to give a good aroma. So here I'm adding my pepper. So after you add your pepper, then here are my seasoning. I'm adding my seasoning also. So after adding my seasoning, then I go by adding my spices. Here is coriander spices and bay leaf. So I'm adding in my spices. After adding my spices, here is crayfish. So I'm adding in my crayfish also. So then I'll go by adding my palm oil. Then you stir it. So after stirring, then you give it some time. Then you cover it and leave it for some time to cook. So let's check our Gbegiri soup. As you can see, our Gbegiri soup is almost done. So hope you're seeing it. If you like, you can leave it like this. So a little bit watery, and if you want it to be more thicker than this, then you leave it to cook very well. You give it some time to cook again. So me, I'm leaving my own like this. I like it so a little bit watery like this. So our Gbegiri soup is ready. So here is our Gbegiri soup, as you can see. So enjoy. So here's my Gbegiri soup. My Gbegiri soup is ready. I'm serving mine with tuwon shinkafa, which is called dual rice. So you can serve yours with is either amala or semo, or this tuwon shinkafa. any of your choice. So don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in my next episode. Bye.